Oh, what? Oh, I can't push you forward. Yeah, I'll have to pull you backwards. Where do you mean? Wait.
Tip her over.
What are you trying to do?
She's trying to make it go over. Do it.
I go backwards.
You go backwards.
She went backwards,
Like
remember?
forward.
Yeah. You have to like tip up and then go back. No, you can't do that. Oh, I figured out how to do it.
You turn it around.
Yeah, it would be
I'm gonna make a YouTube account and put these on.
really sitting up.
Maybe she was. Very vain.
It's funny though.
Oh, effort. Jeez.
It'll get like 10 million hits.
You get one
Okay.
of Zoe chasing Christian.
Yeah.
She's not tipping.